So let's talk about carpets. ProSol Works medium solution is what we generally use at our house to clean stains from juices, spills from plants, pet stains, and all that sort of thing. And so what we generally do is we usually follow the manufacturer's instructions. We spray the spot, let it sit, kind of work it into the fabric a little bit, and then after a while, after we do that and let it sit for a while, then we start blotting. So we blot, and once in a while we'll kind of work it in a little bit, and if we have to reapply the solution, then we just reapply it on the spot that needs to be applied, and we just let it sit there for maybe 20 minutes, and then we come back and we blot it again. And eventually the stain will usually come out. Now, ProSol Works is not a miracle product. It does a whole lot better than most products on the market today, and it's more versatile because you can use it anywhere in the home. And whereas other products, you have to use specific types of products, ProSol Works is much more versatile and much more affordable for many users.